The 54-inch Ceva is a modern ceiling fan with weather-resistant blades and a color-changing light. The fan is damp rated for indoor or covered outdoor use and is remote control operated. The 54-inch blade span is best suited for large spaces that are between 12 feet by 12 feet and 18 feet by 18 feet. The fan can be installed on standard ceilings and low ceilings. Use the menu to skip ahead or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Before assembling the fan, it is recommended that you create a new remote frequency to avoid interference from other fans or devices. Locate the receiver module in the fan motor and remove the rubber cover to expose the dip switches. Flip the dip switches to create a new and unique code. Access the battery compartment of the remote and duplicate the code. The dip switch codes must match or the fan will not function. Ensure power is safely turned off at the breaker. On the fan motor assembly, place the canopy ring over the motor with the slot openings facing upward. Locate the screw with the arrow marking and loosen it. Loosen the screw directly across from it. Remove the remaining 2 screws. At the ceiling box, remove the 2 outlet box screws. Bring the mounting plate up to the box and align the holes. Insert and tighten the removed screws securely. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the mounting plate and use the hole to hang it from the hook. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box and mounting plate together with a wire nut. Note that the ground wire from your ceiling box may be green or bare copper. Combine the white wire from the fan with the neutral wire from the outlet box. Combine the black wire from the fan with the hot wire from the outlet box. If you have any additional wires from your outlet box that will not be used for the installation, cap them off with a wire nut. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Tuck the wires into the motor. Unhook the fan and align the loose screws with the keyholes on the mounting plate, being sure to match the sides with the arrow markings. Twist to hold in place. Insert the removed screws and tighten all screws securely. Slide the canopy ring over the screws to lock into place. The ceiling mounting is complete and the fan blades can now be installed. Bring a blade assembly up to the motor and insert it into one of the slots. Align a blade support plate with screws over the 3 holes and tighten them securely. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. With the fan blades attached, you can now install the light kit. Bring the LED light kit up to the fan and connect the 2-pin wire connectors. Align and twist the light kit over the tabs of the mounting ring under the motor. Safely restore power at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. Install the included battery to begin using the remote. Press the on-off button to toggle both the fan and the light at the same time. Press the fan speed button to cycle through the different fan speeds. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. Press the light button to toggle the light on or off. Hold the light button to cycle through the different brightness settings. Press the correlated color temperature button to change the color temperature of the light. The light can be set to 3000K soft white, 4000K bright white, and 5000K daylight. With the fan turned off, the reverse switch changes the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. An optional wall holder for the remote is included. Remove the cover and use the included screws to attach it to any wall. Reinsert the cover and place the remote in the holder. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and assistance, call the number in your owner's manual.